Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best choices for all your beauty needs. Today, we're talking about the Beetles Gel Nail Tips 288 PCs Pre-Shaved Short Oval Fake Nails. If you're looking for a quick and professional way to enhance your nails, this is the best short oval gel X tip set you need. These pre-shaved gel nail tips come in a pack of 288, giving you plenty of options to get the perfect fit for each of your fingers. The short oval shape is not only stylish but also perfect for those who prefer a subtle, natural look without compromising on durability. The transparent tips are designed with a thinner edge that fits seamlessly with your natural nails, making it look like your nails have grown out naturally. What's great about these tips is that they are break-resistant and super strong. The thickness of each tip is 2 to 4 times thicker than your natural nail, ensuring long-lasting wear. Even if the tips bend, they maintain their shape, preventing any unsightly marks. This makes applying your nail extensions easier and ensures they last longer. One of the standout features of the Beetles Gel Nail Tips is their pre-filed design. No shaping is needed, which means you can skip the hassle of lengthy filing sessions. The tips come ready to use, which makes the application process faster and easier than ever before. This also ensures that the nails have a more natural and uniform appearance, which is perfect for DIY nail salons or home use. In just about 3 minutes, you can extend your nails and enjoy them for up to 28 days. These short oval tips work great with gel nail polish, liner gel art, dip powder nails, or polygel extensions. Whether you're getting your nails done at a professional salon or doing them at home, these tips will fit perfectly into your nail art routine. These gel nail tips are designed to make your nails more beautiful without disrupting your daily activities. They're lightweight, easy to apply, and ensure you get that flawless look without the need for multiple visits to the salon. And remember, while the package includes everything you need to apply the tips, nail glue is sold separately. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to extend your nails with a professional finish, the Beetles Gel Nail Tips 288 PCs Pre-Shaved Short Oval Fake Nails is a fantastic choice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, these gel tips will make your nail art routine a breeze. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great product reviews.